बे समाव दङ आङो सिमेन्ट सानजारि नोगोरनि बाथौ मिसन स्कुलाव। बे बाथौ मिसन स्कुला दिनैनिफ्राय LKG आरो क्लास 9 नि जिथुनाखि क्लासआ दिनैनिफ्राय सोलिगोन। दिनै बे समाव आंजों दङ सिमेन्ट ओनसोलनि बाथौ मिसन फरायसालिनि मानगोनां गोरायुं बा प्रिन्सिपाल बिद्दिसर दैमारि बिथाङा दङ। केमेरा पार्सन बिथांखौ आं बिथांनि खाथिसिम लांनो थाखाय खावलायबाय। बे समाव बड' लाइभ 24 नि जानानै सिगांग्रो सारखौ बरायना लाग्रोबाय जों।
Thank you. So welcome Bodo Live 24 and Assam Live 24 for visiting our school, Ahambare Bato English School. Shortly we call Bato Mission School. So today, for the first time on 16 March 2026, we are going to start our class for LKG and class 9 for the first time on today's date, that is. And continually, we are going to run our classes from 23rd March 2026. That is for UKG and up to class 12. And here I'm feeling very happy to introduce that our institution is running class up to class 12. Many of the parents, they didn't know that our school has upgraded up to class 12, and for the first time this institution has appeared HS final examination for our arts or science stream. Students have already appeared, and we expect a very good result from this institution. Now, this institution was established on 10 February 2007, and the main aim of this institution to promote good education and to build a foundation for every children, uh, not only in the education field but in all-round development, physically, mentally, morally, as well as with introducing quality education to our students. And at the same time, we try our best to build up our student, uh, not only physically, mentally, morally, but to be a perfect human being and to cope with the environment. It is called now, we, so to say, global world is competition world, computer world, or technology world, where our student can compete with this world and they can face the challenges. Now the thing is that this school worked very hard, and here our faculty members, different teachers with different subjects. We have teachers from different classes, and we have a multi-language in this institution. That is, we give our ML subject and Bodo, Assamese, as well as Hindi. And but art stream also, for the first time, we have introduced the subject Advanced Bodo and Bodo for the first time. And in the science stream also, ML, you can choose Bodo as well as Assamese also.
So बे समाव बुंनांगोन बे फरायसालियाव बाथौ मिसन बे फरायसालियाव जिथुनाखि बर' बिजोंनि फरायसालि नङाब्लाबो बेहाय ML साबजेक्टखौ बड' बा आसामिस बेखौ लानो हायो, बेखौ फोरमायदों सारा। आरो बे समाव बेखौ बुंनांगोन जे बे फरायसालिया सिगांनिफ्रायनो गोबां रिजाल्टखौ मोजां मोजां लाबोगासिनो दङ। बे समाव सारा फोरमायदों बेसे समनिफ्राय जागोन नों माबाया एडमिसना जिथुनाखि क्लास 11-12।
Already we have started our admission for class 11, and very soon we are going to start our class, probably from this last part of this March of this year. So we want our students to be prepared earlier and to be ready for the forthcoming examination. And at the same time, class 11 exam is also going on. As soon as the class 11 exam will be completed, we'll start our class from next day onwards, because our students get less time for their classes and they have to prepare it for the annual examination. And for that, we prepare, we arrange our student in such a way that so the student face the exam and they get a good marks. That is.
बे फरायसालिनिफ्राय फरायनानै दिनैसिम सारनि स्टुडेन्टफ्रा साख्रि बाख्रि मा दासिम जेनेबा फरायसाफ्रा बारग'लांनायफ्रा मा जानानै दं?
This school has appeared the metric exam from 2015, and near about many dates uncountable. Many of the students got job in different field. So to say, teacher is there, and from the what called defense, that job like police and BSF, like army, like that there, and many of the students have completed doctors, MBBS also, and many of them cleared the JEE and NEET examination, and many were in the university and colleges of the different nook and corner of our India. It is not only in Assam but all over India.
थेंक इउ सारनिसिम साबायखर थाबाय बे फरायसालिनिफ्राय दिनैसिम गोबां फरायसाफ्रा जायफ्रा बारग'लांदोंमोन दिनैसिम माखासे साख्रि बाख्रि डक्टर इन्जिनियार बा बायदि डिपार्टमेन्टनि जिथुनाखि साख्रि बाख्रियाव मोननो हादों बेखौ सारा फोरमायदों बे समाव आं दंमोन धेमाजि जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय सिमेन्टसापुर ओनसोलनि बाथौ मिसन फरायसालिनिफ्राय आङो बे समाव बिनाराम बसुमतारी खौरांगिरि बड' लाइभ 24